What's going on, everyone? Chip Douglas here with another video. Now, I do usually make gaming videos, but today I'm doing a YouTube tutorial. Now, a lot of people like to work with the Creator Classic Studio, and over the last couple of days I've made a few changes where it's really hard to find, but I searched for about an hour today and I have found a way of us accessing it. Now, all you need to do, what we used to do, is we used to go to YouTube Studio and then into playlists, and then the top right corner, and we used to click here and find it here, but you can no longer do that. Now, I did find a way that you can do that, and you do this by going to your channel. You go to customize channel
here, back with another Apex video.
And then you click up here, top left corner, and you go to your subscribers. Now this will take you to the Creator Studio Classic, which a lot of people like to work with. So this is how it's done. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.